3-degree guarantee business because the forecast high today was 91 degrees. Larry Miller, what do you think we hit today?
I think we got to 90.
We got, no, 91.
Really?
A bullseye.
Nice job.
Yeah, and now tomorrow going 90 degrees for a 3-degree guarantee. Tonight we've been watching some showers and storms. We still do have a severe thunderstorm warning till 11:30 down to our east, mainly in toward Calvert County and that little southeastern sliver of Prince George's right now and over toward maybe Shadyside there in southern Anne Arundel. This thing's moving east at about 35. Looks like it's maybe getting a little bit smaller from Deal south to North Beach to Huntingtown. It is raining torrentially down here with this one. Some rainfall rates over 5 inches an hour. It's moving east at 35, and the concern is it could have gusts towards 60 miles an hour. So east takes it over toward Tillman at around 11:30. St. Michael's 11:41. Oxford 11:46 and Easton at 11:54. It may weaken a little bit as it goes over the bay, but pay attention. We are watching this shower finally start to rain itself out near Dale City. A couple of heavier showers still through Midland there in southern Fauquier County, and they're just moving east at about 30, but another hour or so, and I still think most of this stuff is going to fall apart and leave us in really good shape for Sunday. Sunny and hot, not too humid. We'll be in the 70s to low 80s in the morning. Low 80s by lunchtime, highs upper 80s to around 90. I'm going 90 at National Airport, but most areas I think will stay in the 80s. Now for the solar eclipse on Monday, nationally it looks pretty good in the northwest into Wyoming. A couple of storms possible though in the central plains where that 100% totality area is. Over toward Nashville looks good. Charleston may have a few clouds to contend with. Locally we're looking at potentially some clouds and maybe even a shower thunderstorm. So it could be a little iffy on Monday. But let's talk about tonight and tomorrow because we've got the dew points dropping north and west of the line of showers now into the upper 50s and low 60s. We're still pouring, remember? Very muggy down there with temperatures, dew point temps in the low 70s and the actual air temps ranging from the mid 60s in the Shenandoah Valley. Cumberland's down to 63. It's near 80 still in Fredericksburg and 77 in Easton. So there's still juice for that storm to keep going across the bay. Satellite and radar. Little disturbance came through. That's what produced those showers and storms that held together. That fizzles overnight. Tomorrow looks good. The dry air is in place. But, as we get into Monday, this is my concern. We'll be okay through midday, but early afternoon, a few showers and storms pop, and they're going to be scattered here and there. And if you happen to get under one of those, between 2 and 3 o'clock, well, that'll blow totality because totality, or at least the max eclipse for us, is at 2:42. And then Tuesday morning will be quiet. A very hot day Tuesday with a chance of a shower or storm in the afternoon. Wednesday looks even stormier. 64 to 72 tonight. The storms are going to end. Clear to partly cloudy. As we look at Sunday morning, looks fine. Warming up 60s and 70s in the afternoon. 85 to 90. Not too humid. Now Monday could have some isolated afternoon storms. The eclipse maxes out at 81% at 2:42. Tuesday 94 with a stray storm or two. Scattered storms Wednesday 88. And a real nice Thursday, Friday, Saturday. High temperatures, in town low 80s, many of the suburbs. Second half of the week, going to stay in the 70s. I can't wait. That's going to be nice.
Sounds great. We're looking forward to it. We've been talking about the eclipse, and you just mentioned the area of totality. It looks like it's only going to be about 81% for us in terms of what we'll be seeing in terms of that eclipse. But we certainly would like for you to join us as we have a major party on Monday. It's going to be our solar eclipse viewing party. It's happening from 1 to 3 p.m. at the College Park Aviation Campus and Museum, which is on Corporal Frank Scott Drive. The first 600 people get in for free. It's all free. And we'll also be providing special viewing glasses as well. You will need to sign a waiver to enter that event. Our very own Topper Shutt, Melissa Nord, I believe also Allison Ray will also be there. And the whole gang is going to be there. A whole gangle of folks from WUSA are going to be there. So make sure you join us and enjoy yourself. I think it's going to be fun. You're also going to be...
I'll be online on Facebook 1 to 3 showing you eclipse from around the country along with what we're doing.
Right. So some good stuff there. Yeah. Good stuff happening with you, Frank?
Totality. Redskins, could they at least put together a drive, something positive when it comes to their preseason game tonight against the Green Bay Packers? We got the details right around the corner in Sports Next.
The last time this happened, I wasn't even born.
You think that's bright?
Maybe I'll go on a road trip to see the totality. That way I can view the sun's corona better.
Experience advanced safety technology at the Lexus Golden Opportunity sales event before it ends.
Lease the 27